And this is Rick. Rick, you are so generous. I cannot believe everything you're donating. Can you tell us just a little bit about what you are sending to Victoria?
Well, we're going to take care of the boys down there in Victoria, the Chefs Cooperative Group, and James Canner, and doing awesome jobs feeding the people down there and the first responders. And we just grabbed a whole bunch of seafood and shrimp and different things that might make the day go a little easier on them down there. And we're sending it down there to see what they can do with it. So
great. We've got not only the back filled, but we also have all kinds of water and spices.
Thank you guys for doing this. We appreciate it.
Well, thank you so much.
All right.
All right, take care.
All right, bye-bye.